Hello everybody, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to yet another super interesting and super amazing topic for the series Curious Minds. With me, that is Pritesh, your host, your host and a proud educator from Embibe, where I meet you every day from Monday to Friday live at 5:30 p.m. with very interesting topics of biology and life. And इन दिस सीरीज कॉल्ड क्यूरियस माइंड्स हमने सब कुछ अभी तक डिस्कस कर लिया। हमने ज़ॉम्बी वायरस के बारे में बात कर ली, हमने ह्यूमन ब्रेन एक्सप्लोर किया, हमने इजिप्शियन ममीज की सीक्रेट्स भी एक्सप्लोर की। सो वी हैव बीन एक्सप्लोरिंग, वी हैव बीन डाइसेक्टिंग सो मेनी मिस्ट्रीज ऑफ बायोलॉजी एंड लाइफ अराउंड अस, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन टुडेज सेशन ऑफ क्यूरियस माइंड्स एज वेल, बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग प्लांट्स दैट नेवर गो टू स्लीप। आज तक हमने ये सुना है कि you should never ever sleep under a huge tree at night because you might faint or because ghosts might come. But there are certain plants, there are certain trees that never ever sleep. 24/7 these plants, these trees, they keep on giving us oxygen and they are said to be very good for your health and for the air around. So let's explore these plants today who never sleep in today's amazing session of Curious Minds. If you are enjoying this series of Curious Minds, do not forget to share this series with your friends, with your school WhatsApp groups, with your teachers, with everyone around you, because here we talk about the mysteries of life. Do share this video and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel of Embibe Achieve CBSE Class 6 to 8 because it's absolutely free. And do connect with us on Telegram as well by scanning this QR code. So guys, let's talk about the plants that never sleep. An old story says that sleeping under a peepal tree keeps ghosts away, whereas science says that sleeping under a peepal tree increases your lifespan as it releases oxygen at night as well. Now, why do they say that you should not sleep under a big tree at night? Now, not people, but any other tree, because trees at night are not carrying out photosynthesis, they are carrying out only respiration, which means they are giving out only carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide being heavier than air, it will settle down and it will surround you where you are sleeping. You will inhale a lot of carbon dioxide and there are chances that you might fall unconscious. And that is why it is advised not to sleep under a huge tree at night. But peepal tree, that is absolutely safe to sleep. Rather, it's healthier because it gives you oxygen even at night. Not only peepal tree, but there are many other trees and plants that give you oxygen 24/7, and that is because of the different types of processes that they follow. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants take in carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and they synthesize food, oxygen, and water vapor. There are three photosynthesis pathways adapted by plants for carbon fixation. One is the C3 pathway, one is the C4 pathway, and one is the CAM pathway. That is the crassulacean acid metabolism. Now, the CAM pathway can be seen in desert plants and epiphytes, the xerophytes. Unlike C3 and C4 plants, these plants keep their stomata closed during the day and open in the night for fixing carbon dioxide in the form of malate and release oxygen. They do it so to prevent the loss of water due to sunlight. During the day, they break down the malate and use the released carbon dioxide through Calvin cycle to produce sugar similar to C3 plants. So CM plants release some oxygen during the night. So the plants that never sleep or the plants that keep on giving you oxygen 24/7 are the plants that follow the the CAM pathway. Now, the number one plant that we are going to talk about is aloe vera. Now, I don't think I need to give you any introduction about this plant because this plant is so widely used, whether it is for your hair, whether it is for your skin, whether it is for any kind of burns, whether it is for injuries, whether it is, for curing so many health disorders to be eaten. Aloe vera is like, it's a holistic plant which is good for application on the skin, application on the hair, to eat, to drink aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a wonderful, wholesome plant. It's a cactus. It is listed as one of the plants improving the air of NASA. Aloe vera emits oxygen at night and increases the longevity of your life. It is almost a no maintenance plant and caters to a lot of beauty benefits too. you know, if you grow an aloe vera and even if you leave it unattended, it will still spread widely, and it has so many benefits. You can eat aloe vera, you can drink aloe vera juice. As I said, you can, you know, mix it with little turmeric and apply it on your skin. It acts as a wonderful sunscreen. If anyone has a burn, then you can apply the aloe vera pulp. It is very wonderful even to cure burns. It's very good for your hair, and as I told you, it's a wholesome plant. Plus, the best is aloe vera gives oxygen at night. So, it is very good even to purify the air. So, that is aloe vera, which is a type of a cactus. The number 2 plant that we have is peepal. Peepal tree can take in carbon dioxide during the night as well because of their ability to perform a type of photosynthesis called the CAM pathway. So, peepal tree is one such plant that carries out the CAM pathway of photosynthesis, and that is why it is beautiful to give oxygen at night, right? The next one that we have is the snake plant. Very good air purifier, very easy to maintain. The best, the most important part that you have to take care while growing a snake plant is that you have to not water it. You might feel that urge कि अरे soil सूख गया है, मेरा plant सूख रहा है, but you do not have to water it. You have to water your snake plant only once in 15 to 20 days. Only once in 15 to 20 days. I have lost like 3 snake plants of mine because I overwatered it. I had the same thought, अरे soil सूख गया है तो पानी डाल दो. No, it is a succulent that survives on very less water. So even if you water it once in 15 to 20 days, it is more than enough. All you have to make sure that your snake plant is in indirect light. You do not keep it in direct sunlight because else the leaf will start burning. Okay? Overwatering is one of the big problems. Snake plant are an excellent choice for any room in the house, and it will remove the formaldehyde from your air. So snake plant is an air purifier, just like your peace lily. Peace lily is also an air purifier. Your anthurium is also an air purifier, and so is snake plant because it removes the formaldehyde from your air. Very easy to maintain, but just you have to make sure you do not overwater it. The next plant that we have, which gives you 24 hours of oxygen and purifies your air, is the Areca palm. Areca palm is very common. You might have seen this plant everywhere around, you know, like whether it is offices or schools or hospitals or, you know, everywhere you see these plants. It is something which also adds a lot of decor to your home. So indoor plants are a very great thing now to decor your home, to decorate your home and make it look more lively. So Areca palm, very easy to maintain. Again, just you have to take care of the water, and you have to make sure that it is not in harsh sunlight because otherwise the leaves start burning at times. So Areca palm is known as the golden palm, butterfly palm, yellow palm, and it is native to South India and the Philippines. It can be used as an indoor house plant and does not require much special attention, let me tell you that. Okay, very easy to grow and propagate as well. The next is neem. So neem again is synonymous to good health. Neem is a plant that I think there is no household in India who has not been exposed to the benefits of neem. I remember, you know, eating neem leaves as a kid because they say if you have any kind of worms, any kind of germs in your stomach, they all get killed. If you just have one leaf of neem, say once a week, is also more than enough. It is super bitter, but it has abundance of health benefits. Even the neem twig was, in the earlier days, neem twig was used as something to clean your teeth. You just take a neem twig and you chew it, you know, in all your teeth, and it really cleanses your teeth because it is so bitter that it takes away all the bacteria, all the germs from your teeth as well. The neem tree purifies the air during the night time by absorbing the carbon dioxide. It is believed that neem should be planted inside the house in the center of the court of the house, and is scientifically true because it acts as a natural pesticide. In your grade 8 chapter, crop production and management, where we learn about storage, we talk about a biopesticide. So dried neem leaves are a very good biopesticide to keep any kind of rodents, any kind of pests, any kind of insects away, because it is so extremely bitter that because of that bitter smell, no insects will come around wherever there is neem. So neem, excellent for air purification, excellent for health, excellent as a natural pesticide as well. The next that we have are orchids. Again, quite an expensive exotic plant, but very good for the air because they keep the air fresh. They remove any kind of pollutants, especially xylene. So orchids are, they give oxygen during the night. They remove xylene from your air. They keep the air fresh. They keep the air pure. A little expensive, even to buy orchids, like especially in Bangalore, one stem of orchids comes for on an average for 30 to 40 rupees, one stem, which has some 4 to 5 flowers. But then again, very good for the air. If you can propagate orchids, it's even great. The next that we have on the list is the Christmas cactus. So this is how the Christmas cactus looks like, a very simple and beautiful looking plant with nice flowers. Christmas cactus is able to adapt low light conditions, but it thrives in bright indirect sunlight. The plant should be watered less frequently in order to promote blooming. So again, you don't have to overwater it, you have to water it as less as possible. This common house plant blooms during the Christmas season, but its long green arms are attractive throughout the year. So the flowers you'll get in the winters, but then these, the leaves and the stems are beautifully green, which you can enjoy in your home as a decor. Then the next one that we have is Tulsi. Tulsi, known as the holy basil, a plant which is worshipped in Hindu religion. It is native to India and mostly cultivated in Southeastern Asia. It is commonly used for treating asthma, cold, sore throat, high BP and cholesterol. Today morning only I woke up with a little bit of runny nose and I had a little bit of cough and phlegm. So what I did is I was making my tea and I just added 5 to 6 leaves of tulsi. I have a tulsi plant in my veranda. I just took 5-6 leaves, I washed them and I put it in my tea, and see, my cold is gone. So tulsi is a miraculous plant. It is it also has so many benefits that having tulsi in the form of hi Kritishna, very good evening, welcome. So you can having tulsi water or having tulsi tea, all of it is so very beneficial, and it is a stress relaxant. It is also an inflammation controller. So if you have any kind of rashes on the body, if you have any kind of inflammation even over there, tulsi helps a lot. And then we have, last but not the least, the money plant. So money plant, no wonder gives you a lot of money, but then also it is said to be something that removes a lot of pollutants from the air. So caring for money plant is easy task. The best part is that money plant grows in water very easily. Money plant even grows in soil very easily. But yes, the difference is that what I have seen, I had a money plant with me for like more than 3 years, which I had always kept in water, and now I planted that money plant in the soil, and the leaf size not only doubled, but even the growth became very, very fast. So the size of the leaf became double when I potted it in the soil, and even the growth became very, very fast. So it grows in both water and soil, but it is better to have it in the soil. It also has lot of, there are also a lot of beliefs around the money plant. Like some people say you should never buy a money plant. Some people say you should steal a money plant from somebody's house. So if somebody is having a money plant, you can just pluck a twig and take it and then use it. And some people say that money plant, if you have a money plant at home, you should not leave it down. Like, you should not let the money plant droop. You should always keep it rising. So always give it a support so it rises, because they say that money plant represents the wealth in your family, in your house. So if the money plant is rising upwards, even the wealth will rise. Now these all are myths around money plant. It has a lot of significance in Feng Shui as well. Feng Shui is the Chinese, Vastu. Caring for a money plant is an easy task. A well-cared money plant can grow up to 12 feet. If average care is given, then also it will reach at least 7 feet. They will produce large yellow and green leaves on trailing vines. Money plants remove airborne pollutants from indoor air such as benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde and xylene, and has more oxygen and helps in easy breathing. So not only it is very good to look at, it is very good as a decor for indoor houses, but also it removes so many pollutants from your air like benzene, xylene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, etc., etc. Apart from all the plants that we saw, like the Christmas cactus or the aloe vera or tulsi or money plant or the snake plant, people, neem, There are also other plants, like you have got the Japanese lily, or which is also called as the peace lily. It is also very, very good, very easy to grow and health, air purifying plant. Then anthurium is also one which you can grow easily at home. You can just get it and then you can take care of it at home. Again, it is very good for purifying the air. So areca palm also we spoke about. So these were the different plants that we spoke about that really add to your decor. They add to the benefit, or they add to the health of the air in your house. So these are the plants that never sleep. They follow the CAM pathway in photosynthesis, and they keep your air pure and healthy and give you nice fresh oxygen 24/7 so that you can breathe and remain healthy. Not only that, but also always looking at plants gives you a sense of harmony and peace. Not only plants, looking at anything which is green, it really calms you and it makes you feel better. So it's always for your benefit. So guys, you can just go out and get these plants from a nursery nearby, or you can take it if your friends can give you some twigs, and then you can pot them and grow them easily. And I hope you enjoyed this session where we spoke about plants that never sleep. And if you did, guys, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share this video with plant lovers, with your friends, with your school WhatsApp groups, and everyone around whom you feel should, get these plants at home. And this was yet another amazing, beautiful, inquisitive episode of Curious Minds. I'll be seeing you again tomorrow sharp at 5:30 live in yet another episode of Curious Minds, only on Embibe Achieve CBSC 6 to 8 channel. Until then, this is Pritesh, your host, your dose, and a proud educator from Embibe. Signing off for now. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and do not forget to keep imbibing, because we believe in you.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.